Hey guys, it's my buddy here, Mr. and Mrs. Canana. Well, we are going to do another family fun night. Woohoo!
Let's get started. Yeah, that was a good one.
Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. Hey guys, today we're going to make a volcano.
Not just any volcano, a candy corn volcano.
Candy corn volcano.
And it's gonna be awesome.
So I personally have never made a volcano, never made one in grade school or anything. Karen, how about you?
I don't think I have. If I did, I don't remember.
What about you, Yoshiman?
I have, but it just wasn't with the clay, it was like with this stuff.
Paper mache?
Yeah.
How'd it turn out?
Yeah. Like, it exploded everywhere in my face, but they had to wipe it off.
Okay, well, we'll see if we can recreate that today. Let's get things started.
It was like...
Let's get things started.
Let's go.
Alright, you guys, we finished Candy Mountain over here, Candy Corn Mountain. All the dinosaurs and Five Nights at Freddy, and everybody's after the candy corn. So,
you left one.
which one?
Balloon Boy. I'm gonna go get him.
Alright, go get Balloon Boy.
He should be like on the top.
Oh no!
Oh no.
Nah, come on.
Well, Balloon Boy just took a dive in the candy corn volcano.
Alright, let's take bets on who we think's gonna survive.
Yeah, so.
I think this guy right here that's about to fall in, I think he's gonna make it.
He looks pretty
I
good.
think that guy.
You think he's gonna
Okay,
survive?
you can't just pick the biggest guy there is and then expect. Oh.
And he's not even on the mountain. He's about to attack this little
He did survive.
cowboy guy over there.
I think that one.
You think he's gonna do alright?
Because he's stuck in there.
Alright.
In this mason jar we have hydrogen peroxide, 35% hydrogen peroxide. We've mixed in wow, I can't say that.
Dish soap. Okay, don't spill
So
it.
here we go, let's pour this in.
Okay. I'm nervous, you nervous?
Balloon Boy is inside. Uh-oh, we already lost one. Whoever took that lost.
Alright, who wants to do the honors? I kinda wanna do it. I'm nervous though.
Back up, baby.
My heart's pounded a little bit here.
Why? This is awesome. So when we mix this in,
Oh, by the way, what is this called?
it is potassium iodide.
Potassium iodide. We got the like crystal kind and we diluted it in
We
some
diluted
water.
it down. Let's hope it works. Okay?
Not diluted it, we dissolved it, sorry.
I'm excited.
I'm scared.
I'm excited right now. I'm
Alright.
feeling the jitters.
Let's make
you
sure,
know?
I don't want it to be like, I don't think it's aimed at us.
No, we're good to go.
Alright,
Here we go.
here I go.
Whoa! Oh, that was awesome! Candy Corn Mountain, folks! That was awesome, man!
Did it get on my hat?
No, it did not at all.
Okay.
That was
I didn't even make my hand get away. Look at that! My hand immediately.
Aiden was like, ah! That
Is
was...
my hand gonna die?
No, it's probably gonna burn off.
It was warm. Is that Balloon Boy?
Yeah.
Balloon Boy came out! We found Balloon Boy! That was awesome!
It kind of looks like dog throw up.
It does.
it does look like that. It's like Bella ate way too many pieces of candy corn. So Karen actually just led us into our next segment of this video. Yes, there's 2 experiments this video. Let's get started.
I'm the strawberry pumpkin. You could never.
Alright, so Karen led us perfectly into our next experiment, the puking pumpkin.
This is the same concoction as the candy corn volcano, but we have a little bit more of each thing this time.
You know the really scary thing is this hole is really not that big, and I gotta try to shove
Here, why
this.
don't you practice a couple times?
Watch.
I just hope it doesn't fly at me. That's the only thing.
We're all a little nervous. It's tense right now. Okay, this happens very quickly. All right, we gotta make sure that.
Which we found out last time. It's
Yes.
a lot quicker. I didn't even have time to get my hand away. Oh man.
That's the direction of my phone, by the way, if you're wondering. All right, 3, 2, 1.
We were not fast enough.
Where's the cup? Like, what happened right now? Dude, it went everywhere. Oh no!
We may have to repaint the walls.
All right, here's the aftermath here. So our pumpkin puked all over the
He
floor.
kind of puked out his neck.
Yeah, went all over the floor. Missed our tarp setup we had here. Puked all over the wall. Puked all over the wall. Oh God! It went oh man!
Alright, I'm wiping it.
Oh jeez, all over the table. That was epic! Well, that's it, you guys. The puking pumpkin. We made a huge mess. I think it was worth it. I mean, I gotta admit, I thought that was pretty awesome.
Well, I am the one that just spent 20 minutes scrubbing the walls, so.
Karen just cleaned it up. Kind of stained the tile, but we don't recommend this one, but awesome. I love doing it. It was definitely a good experience. Again, we appreciate you guys watching. About to break 250 subscribers. That is awesome.
Keep it up.
Yeah, thank you guys so much. We really do appreciate it. So without further ado, Mr.
Yeah, Mrs.
Canary Island Quail.